The DJI Avata 2 is the latest iteration of DJI's beginner-friendly FPV, first-person view, drone. It builds upon the successes of the original Avata, offering a cinematic flying experience with improved safety features and impressive image quality. Here's a breakdown of the Avata 2's strengths and a couple of things to consider before you take flight. Taking flight made easy. One of the biggest appeals of the Avata 2 is its accessibility. Unlike traditional FPV drones that require complex controls and a steeper learning curve, the Avata 2 offers two main control options. Motion Controller 3. This innovative controller feels like an extension of your hand, allowing intuitive flying through tilting and swiping motions. It's perfect for beginners and offers a more immersive experience. Traditional Remote Controller. While not recommended for beginners, a traditional remote control is available for those with experience flying drones. FPV drones can be notorious for crashes, especially for newcomers. The Avata 2 mitigates this risk with a few features. Durable build. The Avata 2 can withstand minor bumps and collisions with its reinforced frame and propeller guards. Emergency brake and hover. In a panic or if you lose control, a single button press brings the Avata 2 to a safe halt and hover. Turtle mode. If your Avata 2 flips over, a nifty turtle mode flips it back upright, allowing you to resume flight. Stunning footage. The Avata 2 boasts a high-quality camera that captures smooth, stabilized footage. Here are some of the highlights. 4K resolution. Capture stunning detail in your videos with crisp 4K resolution. Wide field of view. Get an immersive perspective with the Avata 2's wide field of view, perfect for capturing the full scope of your flight. Horizon steady. Even if your flying isn't perfectly level, horizon steady ensures your videos appear smooth and stable. A glimpse into the not-so-perfect. While the Avata 2 is an impressive machine, there are a couple of things to consider. Menu system. Some reviewers found the menus to be a bit complex and not as user-friendly as they could be. FPV goggles. The DJI Goggles 3, while comfortable, are an extra cost on top of the already pricey drone itself. Overall, the DJI Avata 2 is a great option for those looking for an easy-to-fly FPV drone that captures stunning footage. Its beginner-friendly features, safety measures, and high-quality camera make it a compelling choice for both casual flyers and aspiring aerial videographers.
Got a feeling in my shoulder.